friends, how are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start English chapter number 2, The Bird. A minute of thinking, do birds like being in a cage? Is it crude to keep a bird in a cage? है ना ये चिड़िया को जो है पिंजरे में रखना क्रूरता है निर्दयता. Okay, so before you read in this story, Tom and Molly are two friends. One day, Tom's dog Butch saw a small bird behind Tom's house and barked loudly. एक बार क्या हुआ, टॉम और मोली की कहानी है. ये जो दो दोस्त हैं, जो टॉम का डॉग है, उसने एक छोटी चिड़िया को टॉम्स के घर के पीछे देखा और उसको देख के वो बुरी तरह खौंकने लगा. Both friends go there and saw a small bird on the ground. जब वो दोनों वहां पहुंचे तो वहां एक छोटी चिड़िया उनको दिखी. The bird flapped one wing rapidly in a desperate to fly away. It held the other wing close to its side. The bird's wing was broken. Both friends took turns caring for the bird. After a few weeks, the bird seemed to confirm this as it fluttered both wings. One day, the bird hopped slowly to the opening and then suddenly flew out. So, read and enjoy. Let me start the chapter. Come back, Butch, shouted Tom as he scrambled after the brown terrier. You are not dry yet. The dog raced across the field behind Tom's house, heading for some pine trees. Butch was not fond of his weekly bath and tried to escape at every opportunity. ठीक है, तो क्या हो रहा है, उसने अपने डॉगी को नहलाया है, वो गीला है, उसका डॉगी उसके हाथ से छूटता है, वो भागता है, वो उसको बोलता है कि नहीं अभी तुम सूखे नहीं हो. So if he gets into the woods, he will need another bath. Mumbled Tom, I wish Molly were here to help. Just then a girl rushed up. Did he take off again? Turning to find his friend Molly, Tom replied, yes, and he's probably already rolling in dirt. We need to bring him back. As the two friends headed for the trees on the far side of the field, they heard Butch barking. है ना? उन्होंने सुना कि Butch जो है भौंक रहा है घर के पीछे. So doesn't usually bark unless they are stubborn, said Tom. Molly and Tom hurried. They found Butch barking furiously at the small bird on the ground. It flapped one wing rapidly in a desperate attempt to fly away, while it held the other wing close to its side. Tom grabbed Butch and pulled him away. Molly carefully picked up the bird and tried to console it with a soothing voice. I think its wing is broken, whispered Molly. Let's take it to my house. Dad will know what to do, said Tom back at the house. Tom's dad looked the bird over. He agreed that the wing was broken. है ना, उनके डैड ने देखा कि सच में वो बर्ड जो है उसके पंख टूटे हुए हैं, मतलब वो घायल. Carefully, he set the wing to keep it still. The bird will need looking after until its wing heals, said Tom. Oh, sure, both Tom and Molly replied. You will need to keep it fed and watered every day, questioned Tom's dad. We will promise, Tom. The two found an old bird cage in the garage and set it on Tom's porch. Molly put the bird inside while Tom found a water dish. Molly suggested, how about we take turns? I will go hunt for some worms while you stay and watch the bird. Tomorrow we will switch. Okay, agreed Tom. The two friends took turns caring for the bird. They became quite fond of the little bird as each day it grew stronger. After a few weeks had passed, Tom's dad said it looks fine. The bird seemed to confirm this is it. Fluttered both its wings. I think we need to keep the bird a while longer, said Tom. Yeah, I don't want to let it go too soon and have it not be able to live on its own. Chimp in morning. You know, this bird owes you its life, said Tom's dad. But now it's time to let it go. Okay, Dad, said Tom. We will take it to the woods this afternoon. Butch tagged along as Molly and Tom walked slowly to the trees where they had first found the bird. Opening the cage door, they stood back. The bird hopped slowly to the opening and then suddenly flew out. It settled on a nearby tree limb. Butch barked once and the bird flew off into the deep green needles of the pine trees. Well, Butch, it's bath time again, said Tom. But we will make sure you don't get out until you are dry. मतलब तुम जब तक बाहर नहीं जाओगे तब तक तुम सूख नहीं सकते. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. We will meet to the next class. Thank you everyone.